Good morning, my dear children. Welcome all of you to this social studies class. Today, let's discuss the second chapter in geography named Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation, and Wildlife Resources. Children, please think about all these resources, whether it's man-made resources or natural resources. Yes, obviously, all these resources are the free gift of the nature. It is entirely natural resources. What all the greenery that we can see in our surroundings, all are the, yes, natural resources, or we can say it's the free gift of the nature. And if we discuss the first factor, the land, we know that it is the most important natural resources, isn't it? Yes, because if land was not there, we cannot think even our sustenance in this world. The land provides all the facilities for us. And if we discuss about the distribution of this land, we can, yes, say that 30% of the area of the earth's surface is covered with land. See, that means 30% of the earth's surface is land. And what are the various uses of the land? Yes, please think about that. For various purposes we are using this land. What are they? Yes, the first one is, yes, it is used for the forestry. Then mining, building houses, roads and industries. Children, we know that this agriculture and the industries, they are the backbone of our economy, isn't it? So, for all these, the land is an important factor for the economic growth. So children, we know that this distribution of the land is, yes, it's very limited in one. And we know that, yes, there is an alarming growth of population. So we can see the mismatch of this growth of population and the distribution of the land. So what we have to do for that? Yes, we have to conserve the land. And what are the various methods to conserve the land? The first one is afforestation. What is meant by afforestation? You would have heard about the word deforestation. Yes, what is a deforestation? Yes, that is, yes, cutting down the trees, isn't it? Yes, so that we have to what? Stop the cutting down of trees. Thereby we can save the nature. And we know the importance of trees also, isn't it? Yes. Then next one is land reclamation and regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers. Nowadays we can see that the organic fertilizers has been replaced by the, yes, artificial fertilizers, chemical pesticides, and thereby, children, whether you would have thought about its what repercussions? What are they? Yes, it contaminates our health conditions of the human beings. Yes, so excessive use of the fertilizers and chemicals should be strictly controlled, and thereby we can save our present generations as well as the future generations. And put in control over overgrazing. We know that, yes, feeding the cattle that is actually the overgrazing. So that we have to control this process of overgrazing. So these are the common methods used to conserve the land. Then what is the next factor? Soil, isn't it? Yes. What is about that? If you define the soil, it is a thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called the soil. So children, you would have almost all would have saw this soil. Yes, if we take the soil, what we can feel? It is actually a grainy substance. And we can see the soil all over the earth's surface. Isn't it? Yes. And what it is composed of? Yes, the what soil is composed of? It's of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. Isn't it? Without soil, what happens to this growth of the plants? Yes, so this soil consists of organic matter which nourishes the growth of the plants. And minerals are there. In our previous chapters, we studied about the minerals. What are the various minerals in our earth? And weathered rocks. You know about the rocks also. So this soil means it is actually composed of these three things. What are they? Organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. Children, we can see the picture of the soil here. Yes, what it is actually? You can see this is what? These are the various layers of the soil. Various layers of the soil. You can see here 4 layers are there. What are they? The first one is the bottom layer. It is called as parent rock. Parent rock. The second one is weathered rock material. You can see the different colors are used by them to differentiate the different layers of the soil. The third layer is, what is that? Subsoil. What it is consists of? Sand, silt and clay. And the topmost layer, what it is? You know that this top soil is a very fertile soil, isn't it? Why it is so? Because it consists of humus. Humus means which increases the fertility of the soil, isn't it? So these are the 4 layers of the soil. So the bottom layer is parent rock. The second layer is weathered rock material. Third layer is the subsoil, which consists of sand, silt and clay. And the topmost layer is the, with humus and vegetation. So these are the various layers of the soil. So children, we have explained about, that means the 2 factors, the land and the soil. So I hope this explanation related to this is precise for you. So thank you children for watching this video.